Good day everyone. Today we will discuss about Kuka Robot Arm 900. We will try to establish the coordinate frame and calculate the edge parameter.
We will continue with the coordinate frame of our Kuka robot. So first we start with the base coordinate frame. So our base coordinate frame, the Z direction is going upward because the Z direction will going towards the next joint, and then the X will be going this way and the Y will be going this way. So we go to the next joint with coordinate frame 1. So coordinate frame 1 will be located in here and the Z will be going that way because our rotation like this, so the Z direction will be like that, and for the X you get from the cross product Z0 and Z1, so it will go this way and the Y will follow. So the next coordinate frame will be coordinate frame 2. So coordinate frame 2, the Z also pointing that way because it's still the same movement like this. So the Z is like that, and then the X will be pointing upward because it's the normal from Z1 to Z2, so going upward, and the Y will be going backward. Okay, so we continue with the coordinate frame 3. So coordinate frame 3 will be toward front because the rotation is like this, so the Z direction will be toward there, and for the X it will be pointing upward because it's the cross product between the Z2 and Z3, and then the Y will be follow, which is going to there. And then we move to the coordinate frame 4. Coordinate frame 4 is located in here because the rotation is like this, so our Z is pointing downward, the Z, and then the X will be pointing downward because it's the cross product between Z3 and Z4, and the Y will follow to that. And then we have the Z5. Z5 is in here, coordinate Z5, so it rotated toward downward, so our Z will be this way, and then the X will be that way, and then the Y will be this way. And also for the last coordinate frame, the end effector, the Z will be following the before Z5. So it will be, the Z will be the same, and the X will be also the same, and the Y will be also the same. I think that's all for the coordinate frame. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. We have searched our datasheet in Google, and now we want to make sure is it suitable with our robot here. Let's see. Agak dekat sini. Link 1 is 40 cm or 400 mm. Link 2 is 45.5 centimeter. And next we will continue to link 4. It is 42 centimeter. For link 5, it is 8 centimeter. And link 6, for the end vector, it is 8 centimeter. Until here. Now we will see here that joint 2 is not coincided with the base. It have different distance. Let's see here. We have point it here. And it has different distance, 2.5 centimeter. Also, the joint 3 and joint 5, it has different distance. Let's see. It is not perpendicular. We have 1 point there, and if we measure it, it is exactly 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now we will continue to find the DH parameter. After we make sure this datasheet is suitable with our robot and the value is right, we can follow these rules to gain our DH parameters. First, let's take a look to our base coordinate frame. As we can see, the z-axis is not going as well as the next z-axis, and the origin is not coincide. Here's the rules to find DH parameters. Firstly is theta. Theta is the rotation on previous z-axis until the current x-axis and the previous x-axis pointing same direction. And it is just variable. Now we interest to find the d. D is a translate in previous z-axis until the current and the previous x-axis are the same line. Now focus on the x-axis. We want the x-axis to be on the same line. So we need to push the previous x-axis going up in direction of z, the previous z-axis, which is 400. Let's take a look here. This point to this point is 400 millimeters. So D is 400. Next is the A. A is a translation on the current x-axis until the origin is coincide. So after we doing the previous translation, we can see the origin will be collide or will be coincide to here. So the A is 0. How about the alpha? Alpha is the rotation on the current x-axis until the two coordinate frames coincide. Not only the origin, but all three axes is coincide. So the current coordinate frame should be like this. Which is, this is z-axis, this is x, this is y. To be coincide all of these three axes, we should rotate it 90 degrees in direction of current x-axis, which is positive 90 direction, right there. And then we do the same iteration until 6 times, and finally we get all the parameters here. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. I see you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.